how internet reveals the true nature of human beings. Because to understand that, you just have to observe what's the behavior in relation to free products on the web. You put something on the web for free, and nobody feels the moral obligation to pay for it. Whatever is free, it's taken for free. If it's free, why should I pay? But, on the other hand, you put two things. One is free and one is the same thing. Not free. The people will always choose the free thing. You go down in the street, all the restaurants are free. People will go and not ask themselves why it's free. It's just free. That reveals the predatory nature of the human being. So what is it that makes a human being human? It's also his predatory nature. If you take away the predatory aspect from the human, then that is not a human anymore, that thing, that person. To be human, you also have to be a predator. Internet is the heaven for predators. Anything which is digital can be basically predate, can be accessed in infinite way. It can be reproduced and accessed in an infinite way. There is no limitation to how many people can access the same digital product. And so who makes money in all this circle, in all this free world? Makes money is the company that provide the service. It's the people who have the servers, all these internet providers. It's not completely free to access internet. It's not free to access the internet. Even though you can download a huge amount of stuff for free, the access to this heaven, it's not free. So once you pay your ticket, whatever is free there, it's yours to download, to have it. And the ticket is your internet access fees. Okay, so you pay your computer and your connection. So who makes money is the hardware and software producer who allow people to access internet. So the multinational like Tree, like Vodafone, like all the computers company, Sky, all these people, they make multi-billion. Facebook, for example. You think, oh, Facebook is free. Yeah, it's free once you have to create an account, right? But there's so many million people accessing Facebook, and each of them pay a fee to the service provider to access the internet. At the end of the day, they only go on Facebook, right? They pay their phone company, for example. It's not free. And Facebook makes money as in those who are the top level owners of that platform. So there is two aspects. One is the predatory aspect, of the individual who goes on internet and looks for everything for free, and there is the exploiter of this predatory aspect. You see, the exploiter says there's so much stuff produced and put there on internet. I'm going to be the one who's the gate to the internet, and when you're going to go through that gate, right, you have to pay me a ticket, and that's where I make the money. I'll sell you the ticket to access the internet. Once you are beyond the gate, you can do whatever you want, but you have to pay the ticket. And that's I am. So if you want to make money on the internet, you have to be a service provider. So there is no chance that you can make any money on the internet nowadays with digital products. I'm talking about serious money.